All right, so we are going to revisit Google Sheets today. So I inputted the data from our worksheet into column A and column B. Column A is years and column B is age. Now I'm going to highlight my data, go to Insert, Chart, and it's created the chart for us. Okay. If that's not the chart I wanted, I could go here and change the chart type. Okay. But I actually want a scatter plot, so I'm going to leave it just the way it is. Now I'm going to go over to the Customize tab, and I'm going to just edit the chart just a little bit, or the graph just a little bit. Okay. So first thing you want to do is go to the Series tab, scroll down, add your trend line, also known as the line of best fit. Okay. And use equation. Okay. So there you have it, the equation here. I'm trying to move the equation. You can keep the equation where it is. I'm just going to move it closer to the graph because I like it there, but it doesn't matter where you put it. Okay, so now we're going to go to horizontal axis, do a little bit customization on the horizontal axis. I am going to make my minimum 1975 because that's the year zero for this data. And I am going to make my max 2020 or 2030. Just have to make sure you include 2020 because our question wants us to use or get some information for 2020. Okay, or you could use 2030. Let's use 2030. Why not? Okay, then I'm going to go over to vertical axis. I'm going to do my minimum at 0 and then my max 50. Now, when you're doing your homework questions, you might have added this, if it's not capturing your data, you just come back over and edit as you need, okay? So this is for this data. And your data, you're going to have to figure out, what your max and min is. Okay, now we're going to go to grid lines and ticks. For horizontal axis, I'm going to do the step at 5 and the minor steps at 1. Okay, I'm going to keep scrolling down and I add major ticks and minor ticks. Okay, so see if it's added some grids and some tick lines there. Okay, so I'm good with the horizontal. Now I'm going to go over and edit my vertical axis. Okay, the vertical axis, let's do the count every 5, let's say. I think that's what we have, yeah. There we go, so 5, so now we've added some grid lines there. And then I'm just going to add major and minor. And there you have it. You have your chart.